Trading Junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, November 9th, 2010. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 27 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 12:23.25 and we started pushing down into an initial short signal right at the 4 o'clock close of the previous day. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside, but unfortunately target 2 was only touched a couple of times and did not fill, and the trade actually came back and stopped us out. So we're going to count that as a T1 minus 2 on that first trade of the day, because we got stopped out of that second position due to the lack of not enough trading going on the fill. We then came back through our moving average, had a 5 candle fill there right at the level, ended up with T1 and T2 to the upside for 6 ticks as we pushed, came right out of the 10 o'clock news time, and the market kept pushing higher, went up and put in a high of the day of 1224.75 right near the Globex highs level, came back down through our moving average, and now you can see the speed of this move. It was moving quite fast by the time it finally came down through there. So we looked to take an extension to the downside, and that extension did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks as we went down to the 10:45 confirmation time, which was also the 4:15 close. You can see there was a slight sideways movement, partial bounce there as it came off of that level, before ultimately going all the way down to the daily pivot. Found some support at the daily pivot and bounced heading into lunch, but you can see during the lunchtime dead zone it actually did break down. Now during the dead zone we do not initiate any new trades. We just kind of sit on our hands, wait for the 11:30 to 1:15 time frame to pass, the red area on this chart, and after that time we start looking again. Now there was a signal long, and the entry would have been right before 1:15. It was at 1:10 and it would have pushed up to its T2, but we did not take that signal. Again, we waited till after lunch, and you can see again another strong fast move to the downside, set up what would be another extension to the downside. Targets 1 and targets 2 hit as price moved down through the previous day's low. Finally found a little bit of support around 145, came through the moving average, gave a signal to get long. That signal took a little bit of heat as it pulled back to the moving average, but ultimately got targets 1 and targets 2 off for 7 ticks to the upside, and then again the market rolled over after the 3 o'clock hour, but we stopped at 3 o'clock. So all in all, 5 trades, 27 ES ticks if you're able to hit those extensions. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.